Hello everyone, welcome to this lesson of our course. In the former lesson we have worked on these designs right here. In this lesson we will learn how to design a multimedia window like this one right here. We will design it from scratch. So first we will go to this page, then we add some space by this sort from here. And now we open a new file and we name it. You can name it whatever you want. Now we use this tool to draw a rectangle. Make sure to align it like this. Now I change its color and I add a stroke like this. I remove it, sorry. That's it. As you see, this is the rectangle, or in this case the multimedia window. Now I will draw another box inside. As I said, make sure to align it with the form right here, from the right and from the left. Because we need our design to be clean and neat. It's a very important thing. I mean, after all, we are designers, and designers are all about the looks. When your design is beautiful, it attracts people, and if you want to work with someone, and they will see your works and they will hire you if you want to make money out of this. Now, as you see, the box is aligned with the whole design like this, from up to the bottom. And if you notice, we have left some space in here to make everything look good and in order, to make things look beautiful. Now we add an image like this one right here. This is the image that I'm going to work with, but I'm only going to take only a part of it. I copy it like this, then I drag it here, and as you see, it's so big. So I go here to make it inside the box. Right click, and then we go to create, line it this. Like this, I can control it and I can adjust it. That's it. Now I will draw the control bar. So I draw a rectangle like this. I make it in black. Then I'm gonna reduce the opacity a little bit, like this. Now we will add the buttons. We put the play button right here. So I go to flaticon.com to get it. And as you see, we have many icons to choose from. So I will go with this one. I choose PNG, size 24. Here it is. I open it, then I get it to the design page. Now I did change, I did put the icon right there, but it's in black, so it won't be visible. Now I will give it another color. For example, I will give it white. Now I will add the forward and backward buttons. Same thing, we go here, we look for them, we download them, and we put them in our design page. Now I will copy this button right here. I will rotate it like this. We use the ruler to make size even, like this. And as you see, it's the same size. So this is the rewind, forward or backward buttons. Now I will add the volume icon right here. There are many icons, as I said, to choose from, so choose whatever one you like. So for me, I will go with this one, and as usual, PNG, and I will choose the size. As for the volume bar, I will draw it with this tool right here. Like this. Like this, then I change its color and I will copy it multiple times. Like this. And I keep going until I get what I want. Like this. Now I will change these last ones colors. So to make that the volume is not up to its full. Make it look like the sound is not fully used. So you know what I mean. As you see, there are only slight difference. Now I will add the setting and the full screen icons. Same thing, I put it here and I change its color. Just some slight adjustments to the image right here. Now I put it right here, and as you see, the Photoshop has this feature to keep things aligned, to make sure that everything is in the same line. Now to the full screen icon. I can't remember where I downloaded from, so I will just go with this one right here. This is just an example. Of course, you can use another icon than this. Now, as usual, I download it and I drag it to the design page. Good. Now I will add the user image. I make a small circle and I put it right here. Then I grab the image. For example, this one, we'll go with David Beckham. Of course, this is just an example. You can use whatever image you like. Now I will add a small button. Now I align it with the user image, like this. You can type whatever you want. As I said before, for me, I will type subscribe. And here we go. Just some switches. I will reduce the opacity a little bit. Now I will add the video list. Like here. Now we open a new file and we use this tool to draw the box for the other videos. Actually, we're gonna draw a rectangle like this. Then I change the color slightly. And make sure that you make the rectangles in this space or in this size. You need to select the size and then copy the rectangle and see if they fit or not. As you see here, I have to adjust the size of the rectangle so that they fit, because all of these rectangles won't be enough. As you see, it won't work. So I need to adjust the rectangle like this. I'll reduce the spaces between them, and here we go. Now everything is in the right place. Now I put the first rectangle in its own file so that we can copy it later. I will add a small box like this. As you see, I changed its color. Now I will add an image. I will take this image, but as I said before, I'm gonna take only a part of it. I copy it, then I drag it to the design page, and I will put it right here. Now right click, and we go to create clip and mask, and here we are. Now I adjust the image like this, and here we are. Now we add some info. I did copy the text from here. It's a random text. I will take only a small part so that I make it like a title. I put it up here. I will change the font and I will change the color. That's it. Now I take a bigger phrase like this. Then I will put it right here. And of course I'm going to adjust its size so that it fits. I will change the font. And here we are. That's it. Now I will change its color. Change it to white. Now I will add the number of views. I will go with this icon right here, as usual, BNG, the size, and we go. Now I add it to the Photoshop. Then I put it right here. I will change the color and I will put a random number next to it. I'm just making sure that the layers are inside the file so that nothing can go wrong. Now, as I said, I will change the color. That's it. And I type a random number in here. You can type whatever number you like. Now we make it in the same color like this. Now the whole box is ready. Now all I have to do is just to copy it to all the other boxes. Like this. That's it. And here we go. And we are done. So I will save the file. And this is the final look of our design. This is the whole design from the beginning. And so far we're here. So by applying what you saw in this lesson, you can make different pages like this one. Now I hope that you liked what you saw, and thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next lesson.